Okay, if you watching this video, maybe you had the same problems I did. This is a 2004 first gen Sequoia, Toyota Sequoia. I was in the process of hooking up trailer lights, trying to figure out why my trailer lights weren't working. I walked back to the cab and noticed with the key on and turn signal on, the VSC track and the VSC off light, these two lights right here, they were flashing with the flashers, which that's not supposed to happen. I went to start the vehicle, it wouldn't start, wouldn't bump the starter. So I figured I had a engine control fuse or something wrong, blown. Checked all my fuses, and then up here in the driver's side in the engine bay, there's a little fuse box here by the master cylinder. There's a starter, 30 amp starter relay. This guy right here. It was blown. This is it. This is the original Toyota part. Can't really make out the number, but anyway, so looked around. Nobody had really talked about, everybody, if you ask where to get it, everybody says go to the Toyota house. So I thought, well, I'm stranded, so I'm not going to go to the Toyota house. There's a parts store down the street in O'Reilly's. Just so happens they have this Import Direct brand 25-0279. It's a 30 amp relay, and it fits and it works. I put it in and started right up. It's like 24 bucks. So anyway, if it's worth a shot if you're having the same issues. I assume a short in my trailer wires must have caused that to blow, or just coincidence, but hope this helps.